Hey everybody, this is Kelly, Flip with Kelly coming at you. How's everybody doing today? So today I wanted to go over the 17 questions that changed my life at Tim Ferriss. This would be question number 2. And again, testing the impossible by asking these questions. So question number 2 is, what do I spend a silly amount of money on? And then how might I scratch my own itch? So basically what Tim's saying there is to kind of go over your expenses. And I guess a good question for you guys is something that I do. How many of you guys go over your bank statement? Maybe you've got online banking, maybe use a checkbook. How many of you go over your, what you spend your money on, money coming in, going out of your bank account? I do it personally, I do it on a weekly basis. Could do it on a Saturday or Sunday or whenever you want. But once a week, I'll go through and see what I'm spending money on, and to catch the things that either, you could be looking for fraud stuff, you could be looking for subscriptions you don't use anymore. Just kind of, it's good feedback. So next week, next month, next year, you're not spending money that you don't want to be. And then you can plan and budget ahead for things. But yeah, so I guess maybe go through and look over, what do you spend a silly amount of money on? And the second part of this question is, if you're spending a silly amount of money on something, then maybe a lot of people, friends, family, people your same gender, your same age, maybe there's a lot of other people spending the same silly amount of money on the same things that you're spending it on. So then how can you maybe turn that around into your own product, or and then sell it to those people, which is kind of what Tim did here. But yeah, so whether it's a product or service or an idea, these can all make money, right? So yeah, I would encourage you to go over your bank statement every week. Maybe tone back in those things that you don't really need. If it's not stuff that's making you money, if it's just, you're just consuming stuff that you don't need. And then also, how can you turn that around and maybe sell that to other people? Because if it's in demand, supply and demand, right? So this is Kelly, quick short little video today, and hope you guys have yourself a good rest of your day. We're now in almost to the end of January 2026, so you guys have a great one. Smash the like button, find value, subscribe. Kelly out.